Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hop. For this example, we're told to evaluate the definite integral below. And the definite integral we're given is the integral from 0 to 3 of the function x cubed plus 1 over 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. First, we will apply the sum/difference property. So we get that this integral is equal to the integral from 0 to 3 of x cubed dx plus the definite integral from 0 to 3 of 1/3 x squared dx minus the integral from 0 to 3 of 2x dx plus the integral from 0 to 3 of the constant 1 dx. And now we apply the constant multiple property to get that this is equal to the integral from 0 to 3 of x cubed plus 1/3 times the integral from 0 to 3 of x squared minus 2 times the integral from 0 to 3 of x plus 1 times the integral from 0 to 3 of x to the power of 0. And now we apply the reverse power rule to find the antiderivative of each term, and then apply the fundamental theorem of calculus to evaluate each antiderivative from 0 to 3. So we get that this is equal to x to the power of 4 over 4 evaluated from 0 to 3 plus 1/3 times x cubed over 3 evaluated from 0 to 3 minus 2 times x squared over 2 evaluated from 0 to 3 plus x evaluated from 0 to 3. And this is equal to 81 over 4 plus 1/3 times 27 over 3 minus 2 times 9 over 2 plus 3. And this is equal to 81 over 4 plus 3 minus 9 plus 3, which gives us 81 over 4 minus 3. And this is equal to 81 over 4 minus 12 over 4, which is equal to 69 over 4. And this gives us the value of this definite integral. That's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.